Say no, save the Shumph. Come on, not nice. Yes, save the Shumph. Nice, look at that. Now save the instance of an object. Ooh. Did you guys see my world record Minecraft speedrun yesterday? Got 39 seconds. World character. Add more characters. That's, yeah, I probably should do that for the, if I want to make this a video. Yeah, new character, what new character could we add? Because we kind of have Mr. Business Gaming Rice Kid and Toaster Nuts already. KadenBS. New character, KadenBS. Maybe. Yeah, I'll do that for the video. Here it is. We have it. Let's make him business. Jeff Oh yeah, Jeff McBiceps. That's a great idea. Let's add Jeff McBiceps. That is a really, yeah, I'm adding Jeff McBiceps in now. Ooh, look at that. He's fancy. Yeah, this is KadenBS. This is Mr. BS himself. That was a weird name. Ooh, there he is. KadenBS. Oh, I forgot about the story for the game. Okay, so the story for the game is Movie Crit is cringe and took the Shumph. So you start off with, I think, I'll let them choose who they start off with. But, you start off with a character, and you go and unlock more characters, alright? And you basically go around and you try to get to the end of the level to save the Shumph. Big stuff. Peeper Eyes, tied with subs. Real? Real? I'm gonna go check that out real quick. Real? Here it is. Yeah, we do! A lot of people don't subscribe for me, jeez. This is Jeff McBiceps. Yeah, it's a...
Look at my biceps!
Look at his biceps.
Pecs.
Look at his pecs. Anyway, so we're gonna add him into the game. I think that'd be funny. But I wanna add like an info bar here, which is gonna have all the channel names and stuff. So when I add that, I'm gonna put you as Gaming Rice Kid. Not just say that. Lies, you're lying. Alright, I forgot to do one big part. Alright, so KadenBS is in the game. I don't know what he's gonna do. He may just be, okay, I may just, no, I should probably just have him as like a, I should just have this be a costume for KadenBS now that I think about it. Yeah, so, should I just make KadenBS a costume for KadenBS? Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Is that really it? Yeah, that's it. Boom, look at that. Oh, this looks really good. Looks just like a t-shirt. Oh, it looks so bad. Make your dog? What about no? Ooh, cool alert. This looks... This looks really good. Jeff McBiceps just tweeted? Oh my god. He just tweeted. He tweeted about the live stream. How about no, Satanima? How about no? I don't know what that is. I'm gonna put him on timeout real quick before he does anything else, but use the time. There it is. Mods? Mods? Where? Where are the mods? Not nice, Satanima. I'm telling Jeff McBiceps. Okay, well, I just fixed it. I just fixed it. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, okay, well, we added costumes. We added costumes. Alright, so now that we have costumes, I don't know which costumes I'm gonna add to people. I should probably set up, like, a Google form. So, we added costumes. We have KadenBS and KadenBS. I think it was Henry said that we should add KadenBS, and I didn't know what to make his ability, and I realized I should just have him be a costume. So, that's why we have costumes now in the game. So, you can play as KadenBS now. I'm done with adding this filler stuff in. We added in costumes, but everyone's waiting to see him added in. You know who I'm talking about. Everyone knows who I'm talking about. Alright, we've been waiting the entire stream for this character. Okay. Brand new character. Alright. It's Jeff McBiceps. It is. It's Jeff McBiceps. We're adding him in. Someone pull up, okay, let me pull up a picture of Jeff McBiceps on my laptop. Jeff McBiceps. Here he is. Go to images. Alright. He has a beanie on. Reminds me of Gaming Rice Kid a bit. Famous Jeff McBiceps beanie. Come on. He's got purple hair because he's anime, of course. Kinda cringe, but still. It's Jeff McBiceps. What am I talking about? Make Gaming Rice Kid into Peeper Rice Kid. Why? Look at Jeff McBiceps over here. Mr. McBiceps. Boom. 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 Here he is. He's coming together. Is that Jeff McBiceps? Wait, how am I gonna make the muscles on this guy? I just realized. How am I gonna make his pecs? Alright, so here's Jeff McBiceps. I just realized something. Jeff McBiceps is a VTuber, and VTubers often have different costumes. Good news, everyone. Jeff McBiceps is almost done. I'm just gonna do Blakey Roblox's ability. Ooh, look at him. Ooh, I'm playing as Jeff McBiceps. Ooh, look at this. Oh, awesome, Laura.
I can't wait to drop off the battle bus and meet some of you on the battlefield in Fortnite.